Good afternoon, everybody. Insignificant Fellow here, and welcome to High School Games Part 6. And in this episode, we are playing Monster Truck Curfew. Now, this is probably one of the oldest games yet in the series, which isn't saying much. We're only in the 6th episode, because this was released back in 2007, when I would have been around 12 years old. So yes, it's one of the rather older ones. Now, unfortunately, due to the fact that this is a flash game, the volume controls are somewhat hinderous. Whilst we do have a volume switch up here near this fire truck for some reason, it's literally all this in silence. Now, I don't know how loud that is for you, but it's loud enough for me. So I probably won't talk a lot of the time when there's loud things happening. I'll be quiet, and hopefully nothing will be awry in the world of this game. Yes, this'll do. But that was annoying and scary to watch. Away. The other way. Now, as you can see, do be quiet. There are 4 things at the top. Now, no, go away. I know I'm in full screen. I gathered that because I can't see the startup menu. Anyway, there are 4 things. Now, if you hit a police car with its sirens on, it turns your truck red and you die. If you run over a person, you die. Old ladies. Old woman either that's walking the dog. You can hit cats too, they don't seem to mind, but if you hit the moose, that will definitely kill you. Your truck can also, at random, flip over, because that's how monster trucks work. Now, as you can probably tell from that small animation at the start, we have 10 minutes to get to the end of the level. Now, there are 5 levels. The first one took all of a whopping 30 seconds to complete, but as the game progresses, they get harder and harder and more annoying. Let's continue. We're in the city. Oof. Squish. 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 We hit that old lady. She seemed to swear. No? Why? It's going off to a swimmingly good start. Come on, Grandma. So far, we've run over 10 old ladies and 8 women, apparently. That doesn't seem right. It must be that terrible. But we have yet to kill any police officers. That will all change. I ain't hitting you with your lion. Hey, bully. Damn it. Nice didn't hit anything that time. See, we're a good driver. We know how to drive. We're perfect. So, I refused. Yeah, we go. Go and hit the police. Hit them now. Squash, 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 squash. What the hell? Apparently we died. Apparently we died some more. Damn it! Come on, we can do it. Really struggle to get that back on the insurance. What is this console? This computer doing? We're glitching hysterically. Ooh! You rotten policeman, you. Get out of the way. Apparently we couldn't apparently we couldn't hit that one orange car. That is the only actual obstacle in this game. There are orange cars everywhere. There is that green van everywhere, and there are the police, which are very, very angry. Now, it's only 11:54, so I think our chances of success are high. I didn't even die when I jinxed myself. Wasting your time. You sneaky snoo hide. No, we just nearly killed the south then. We hit 12 policemen that time and we haven't hit any people yet. Now this is where it becomes a MLG obstacle course. Or I just become a really dangerous driver. Dangerous driver. Come on, this is not how you monster truck. Right then, go on, we need to get a little bit of speed. incredible sequence of animations. But yes, that's, believe it or not, what animating things must have been like for games in 2006/7, I guess. Horrible and blocky. I don't know what that guy's mouth was doing, but it certainly wasn't talking. But yes, that was Monster Truck Curfew. I told you it wouldn't take long for us to get through it, I think. Or was I talking to myself again? I was probably talking to myself again. I'm talking to myself now, technically, in a room, all on my own, looking at a screen. Well, yes, this has been High School Games. If you have any suggestions of games from your high school times that you'd like me to play that I haven't already done so far, feel free to write them below in the comments and I'll see if it's at all possible, cause finding games like this, whilst it's simple to find them, one thing it's hard to do is actually get one that's in the screen enough. As you can see here, there's all these levels and things for the actual website I'm on, and it's quite difficult to find a website where this screen of the game that I'm playing is big enough, and also where there is no like pop-up ads and stuff like that going on. It's rather quite a prevalent problem, and this website, believe it or not, addicting games, I can't seem to get that to work at all, which is rather confusing. But yes, let me know if you want me to play anything else, a game of your own choice, and I'll look into it if it's possible. Well, yes, until next week, so long, folks. I have an insignificant fellow. Like and subscribe, etc., etc. I will see you next week. Bye bye.